Hi, it's me, Miss Angie. Thank you for joining me. Today I have a book that we're going to read together. It's called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Rose, and it's written by Lucille Calandro, illustrated by Jared Lee. What do you think this book is about? Do you think it's about Halloween and pumpkins?
No.
No. Do you think it's about visiting animals at the zoo?
No.
No. Do you think it's about roses and an old lady?
Yes.
Yes. Let's read it and find out more. There was an old lady who swallowed a rose. I don't know why she swallowed the rose, but that's how it goes. There she is, swallowing that rose. There was an old lady who swallowed some lace. She didn't race to swallow that lace. Lace and race, rhyming words. She swallowed the lace to tie to the rose. I do not know why she swallowed the rose, but that's how it goes. There was an old lady who swallowed some glitter. She wasn't a quitter to swallow that glitter. Oh no, she's swallowing glitter. Glitter and quitter, rhyming words. Oh no. She swallowed the glitter to trim the lace. She swallowed the lace to tie to the rose. I don't know why she swallowed that rose, but that's how it goes. There was an old lady who swallowed some candy. It was fine and dandy to swallow that candy. Candy and dandy, those are rhyming words. Look, there they are, the candies going in her mouth. She swallowed the candy to garnish the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to trim the lace. She swallowed the lace to tie to the rose. I don't know why she swallowed the rose, but that's how it goes. Oh no, she's swallowing a lot of things. There was an old lady who swallowed a jewel. She wasn't a fool to swallow that jewel. Fool and jewel, rhyming words. There she is, the jewel. She swallowed the jewel to brighten the candy. She swallowed the candy to garnish the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to trim the lace. She swallowed the lace to tie to the rose. I don't know why she swallowed the rose, but that's how it goes. Look, it's all together. There's the jewel, the lace, the rose in the background, the candy. There was an old lady who swallowed some hearts. She showed her smarts by swallowing those hearts. There they are, she's swallowing them. She swallowed the hearts to surround the jewel. She swallowed the jewel to brighten the candy. She swallowed the candy to garnish the glitter. She swallowed the glitter to trim the lace. She swallowed the lace to tie to the rose. I do not know why she swallowed the rose, but that's how it goes. There was an old lady who swallowed a card. It wasn't hard to swallow the card. There she is, it's going right in her mouth. It brought the old lady so much happiness that she smiled and laughed and blew a big kiss. What happened? Happy Valentine's Day. Love, the old lady. The end. Thank you for reading that book with me. What was your favorite part of the book? Was it, when she swallowed a rose? Or Maybe it was when she swallowed the glitter or the lace? Was it when she swallowed the jewel? Those are all good parts of the book. But remember, this is just a book. The little old lady doesn't really swallow those things. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do an activity with our story. And today's activity, what we're going to do is we're going to create a card for Valentine's Day. So here I have our card, and we're gonna do this together. I need your help. So let's start. Do you remember what was in the book at the beginning?
Yes.
Yes, she swallowed a rose, and here's our rose. So first, let's also start with some lace, some things that she had in the book. So here's a lace that's in the shape of a heart. Let's put some glue on it. Glue on, and let's count to 5. Let's put it on, press, and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now here's the lace. What do you remember that surrounded the lace? Do you remember?
Yes.
The rose? Let's put the rose right in the middle. Okay, let's put some glue. Can you say, I need some glue, please?
I need some glue, please.
Good job. And we'll put it right on the rose and put it in the middle. Here we go. Let's press it down and count for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Good job. Now, I have some hearts here of different colors. Let's put them around the rose. Because remember in the book, did she swallow the hearts?
Yes.
Yes, she sure did. Okay, so let's put some dots around here. Can you say, I need 10 hearts, please?
I need 10 hearts, please.
Good job. Now, first, let's put the glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's put our hearts. And let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Thank you for helping me. Let's keep going. Oh, that one fell down. Let's put it down there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's put another one here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's keep going. You're doing a great job with me. 1, 2, 3. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're missing one more. Let's put it right there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, count the hearts with me to make sure that we have 10 hearts together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, we're gonna put our Happy Valentine's Day on the top. Can you say, I love Valentine's Day?
I love Valentine's Day.
Good job. Let's put it on the top. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Here's our Happy Valentine's Day. Let's add a little bit of shimmer to our picture, making little circles everywhere. Good job. Thank you for helping me. Can you say, I made a Valentine's Day card?
I made a Valentine's Day card?
Good job. Thank you for doing our activity today and reading the book with me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.